Hello, I'm John, and once again I'm going to try and do a voiceover. I apologise in advance, but I'll do my best. Okay, this property is only €6,400. It's in the village of Osikovo, which is 20 minutes from the town Popovo, 1 hour from Rusay, and 1 hour from Village Turnover, and just less than 2 hours from Varna Airport. As you can tell, the property is timber frame and brick built. The garden is very overgrown, and the property is it seems structurally sound, but the condition is been neglected. It's also full of rubbish, so I'm going to do my best and try and walk you around. Okay, on the first floor there's 3 rooms and an old bathroom. You can see it's full of rubbish, absolutely full of rubbish. Everything needs ripping out and starting again. You can see they've had some plumbing done, which is not of good quality. This is their bathroom, and again more rubbish. And you can see by the state, this would have been the kitchen. I don't know how people can sell their houses like this, but the money's right. What can I tell you? You'd have to go in, you'd have to strip all the wallpaper, probably redo the floors, redo the sinks, probably redo the electrics, although they seem to be working, they was working fine. Right now the water and the electric has been cut off. It's only because the place is empty. But you can see there's even the plants are growing into the property. Pets go between 2 rooms, which is always a good idea. It's a traditional way of heating 2 rooms with a small amount of wood. Okay, we go back outside, you can see how overgrown everything is. And now we're upstairs. Upstairs is the 2nd floor, wooden balcony, 3 rooms and a storage room. Now in most cases the storage room will be converted into a bathroom. Again, full of rubbish. Floor seems in good condition. The render, which is probably sand and lime, has come away from the mud and straw insulation on the ceilings. And when you actually do repair your properties, it's always a good idea to remove the mud from the ceilings, because if they ever get wet, they weigh so much more. And again, a petska between 2 rooms. And more rubbish. Now remember, this property is €6,400. I don't know how you can't make money. There's one road into the village of Osikovo. It's a new, almost new asphalt road which passes right outside this property. It's the same road in as out, so there's a nice little community. It's a well-established village. There's no nightlife, there is a bus. There are shops, there is a bar. So 1,000 square meters, 2 large barns in the garden, which we can't get to today because the grass is overgrown. And this video was actually taken by Nyama. Hopefully this has been of some assistance to you. Any questions, please ask. As far as I'm concerned, even if you just got the grass cut, cleaned the place out, you can't help but make money. Okay, right, thank you for listening, and hopefully it wasn't too bad, and as always, we do better next time.